I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And you are watching YouTube with the Froggies. This week we are going to talk about Little Froggy's Doll My Life.
Wait, what?
Didn't you get the memo?
What memo?
Oh, that's right. I forgot to write it. Anyhow, you're up.
Okay. Alright, let's just get comfortable here. I'm 12 years old, so my life story might take a while. I'm Little Froggy, also known as Bella, and this is Doll My Life. I was born in Georgia 12 years ago, like I said.
Isn't she beautiful? And noisy?
What's up, Mom? Nah, I'm just kidding. I was a great baby. At least that's what I like to believe.
What a pretty baby. Isn't she beautiful? I'm gonna name her Bella.
I knew right there that lady was gonna be my best friend. My dad was in the military and away on business, so I got to meet him 2 weeks later. When I was 2, I met my little brother. We moved to Arizona. We took a family trip to the Grand Canyon, and that's when I saw it. The most beautiful creature ever created, a donkey. Then I discovered horses, the most beautiful animals in the universe. After that, I talked about horses pretty much every day. This is Applejack. She's a land pony. I'm going to be Applejack one day. When I was 5, I had to get glasses. And I no longer wanted to be a horse. I want to become an international equestrian champion. Blue ribbons, here I come. Woohoo! My dad's job had us move to Florida, where my mom and I started my Froggy Stuff. Then we moved to Kansas, where I got my first horse lesson from a pony named Snowball. After that first horse lesson, I pretty much lived at the barn. The barn was right next to our house. I'm talking horse lessons twice a week, horse shows once a month. It was awesome! Then we moved. We moved to Colorado and we found a new barn. It was a little farther from the house, but I got to continue lessons and showing. Then we moved to Georgia, and my show barn was an hour away. After a few years of driving back and forth, my mom had a surprise for me.
I have a surprise for you. Surprise!
A beautiful bay Morgan named Johnny. Oh yeah, Johnny, that's my hair. Johnny is quite the character. We started making videos of him called Fabsome Horses on our second channel, Create Something Fabulous. And during all of this, my mom and I continued to make videos on my Froggy Stuff. We've done a little traveling. We go to Briarfest every year, where we get to meet all of you, our Fabsome besties. And that has pretty much been the last 12 years of my life. Dolls, horses, YouTube, hanging out with my mom. It's been fun. Thank you for joining me for my Doll My Life. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog. And we will see you next time. Bye! Hi, Caspian.
We want to give a shout out to Cicely the Ice Cream Girl. What's up?
You know I'm taller than you now, right?
Not when I put heels on.